Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is your money, financial, career, tarot, and oracle reading. I already shuffled and drew your cards, so let's get right into your reading. So the first two cards, Two of Swords and the Star card. So right now you're at a point of intentional pause, or there's uncertainty. So you may feel mentally blocked or stuck between two financial paths, two job offers, or two investment choices. And it's causing possibly some mental fatigue, some stress. However, this is not a dead end. The star confirms there is hope here. The path forward is known intuitively, but you are delaying the final choice out of fear or overthinking. So there is stability here, but you're mentally frozen from taking big steps. So position 2 or row 2 is your current block or restrictions, and your cards are the 5 of Wands and the 9 of Cups. This pairing reveals that your restrictions is internal conflict, so the 5 of Wands, over what truly satisfies you, the 9 of Cups. So you have the opportunity for wish fulfillment, the job, the income, but you are creating unnecessary internal drama or conflict about how to achieve it and maybe when to achieve it. So this mindset may spill out into your other areas of your life, kind of snowballing, making things worse. So let's look at the third position. And this is the action to take to increase in financial security. Your final two cards are the 10 of Swords and the 6 of Pentacles. So the 10 of Swords signals the necessary and painful but complete ending of a financial burden or a toxic work situation, or maybe even an outdated belief system. This is a radical cut the cord moment. The pain is temporary and it must happen for the cycle to end. So the action is followed immediately by the reward, the 6 of Pentacles, which represents restoring balance through charitable action or receiving financial support. There's no shame in that, asking for help when you need it. So cut the cord on a source of financial drain. Money seems to be being drained and leaving your wallet. So that's the 10 of Swords. And immediately use the mental clarity to seek or give balanced support, which is the 6 of Pentacles. It's that reciprocal energy that's going to benefit you. So let's look at some oracle cards to get more insight. You have offerings. You will be offered a new position or investment opportunity. Think about it and research it carefully before accepting. So you see the coffee grinds. So working hard. So a new offer coming towards you. New life. Very beautiful. You may get a fresh start or be called to bring a new perspective to your old job. You may also get a tempting job offer or new place. Trapped. You feel stuck in your current situation, but you do have options. Look for another job while keeping the one you have for now. Whenever I see the spider reading, sometimes it indicates some type of control, an outside control of your financial resources. So maybe you feel like you're not in control of your finances here. So that's an extra message that I'm seeing. protection. You are being protected from deceit and from situations that no longer serve you. Lie low for a while and you will be shown the truth. Yes, that's what I'm definitely seeing in your reading today. So that pairs very well with position number 1. Progress. It seems like a long slog, but your efforts will pay off soon. Stay on course for at least a few more months before making a change. Prickly situation. You need both tact and diplomacy to reach your goals. The struggle is worth the prize. Work around the issue and use a gentle touch. So those are your messages. I truly hope they brought you some clarity. I appreciate you spending time with me today. And please like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much to me and it helps this community grow. So see you in your next reading. Bye.